Engaging sound. Clear, engaging sound in a sleek design. Easy fit. The sleek earbuds stay in place as you train. Sweatproof and splashproof. Sweatproof and splashproof IPX4 rating. 5 hours of playtime per change, 5 hours of playtime in the buds, and 20 hours of on-the-go charging. Wireless charging. Charge them up using the USB-C cable or a wireless charging pad. Top reviews from the United States. I really wanted to like this earbuds, but it's just not really the best, especially for the price. The buds are just slightly big that they don't fit snuggly in my ear and can pop off after some time. Wouldn't want to work out with these for that simple reason. Volume isn't very loud either. They are very small and battery life is great. I ended up getting the ANC Vets, which have more form-fitting buds and are louder with more sound options.